Okay, so Kozad for you and others. Gonna pull a shot, and it's our old 76 La Pavone, our recently engaged pressure gauge, which is pretty nice. And you can see it's very quickly entering the green zone, and we've been lately getting it up between, between 7 and 8, 0.7 and 0.8 bar. We've got it heating up on 2. When it gets up to where we're ready to pull a shot, we'll switch it over to 1. That's 200. It's on 1,000 watts now, and then we'll switch it over to 200 watts. And but we've got the 14 grams of coffee in our portafilter ready to go in, and so we're almost ready to go. Steam hasn't started coming out yet, but it will. I just filled up the 0.8 of a liter boiler there. I'll shut up and you can hear the process. Gate valve. And she took it up all the way and let the valve open up, and it starts to bloom, and then it starts coming down. I love that one. And there you go. It still occasionally spits out a little bit. We just gotta
gaskets.
Yeah, we just got a set of gaskets that I'm gonna take it apart and reinstall all new gaskets and what have you this weekend. But there you go. That's pulling the shot with the La Pavone. How do you say it?
Oh,
Epicola, Eurocola.
Europicola.
Yeah.
Europicola.
Yeah. So that's it.
Europicola.
It's so much fun and it's so good.
So good.
Well, and there she is tasting it.
Yeah, it's okay.
There you go.
as you see, guys. Handle, here is design, very comfortable to use, easy and to store, very comfortable also.